Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys we're doing a little test run with the Abarth versus the Tesla. 300 odd horsepower and 165 horsepower. They're busy laughing at me in the car because they know I'm busy doing an intro video. So guys, let's check it out. We know what the outcome is going to be 100%. There's no doubt in my mind. We just want to see how badly I can lose, basically. Let's see how bad it is. I'm so nervous. I'm nervous guys, I'm so we're doing gear 2, not that he has gears, but I'm doing a gear 2 roll. Yeah. We ready? On the third one. He's just holding back, isn't he? He's just holding back. I thought I had him there for a second, but that's nice. Alright guys, so that is a wrap with the Abarth and the Tesla. The obvious option won the race guys. It's pretty obvious to see. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Very short form video. We just wanted to see how badly we could lose, or at least stay up to date with the Tesla. Anyways guys, as always, stay tuned, stay locked in. Make sure to hit a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Lekker, bye.